So you can see now like what my makeup looks like. Good morning! Today I'm gonna show you my makeup. I always do my skincare after I get out of the shower, and I don't put makeup on my face without doing my skincare. We'll start with the BB cream. I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Today's makeup is gonna be a bit more than what I would usually put because I think we will go out tonight. It's not yet sure, but I just feel like putting more makeup than usual and I need more coverage. So I'm gonna add the NARS concealer. It's the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this one is custard. And I will just put that on my acne scars and on the spots where I think I need concealer. I like tapping the products on my skin. And then now that it's there, I'm just gonna use this oil block mineral powder from Canmake. I got this when I was in Japan last year. I feel like my makeup stays longer when I put this one. There's so many amazing products in Japan. Like, it's kind of sad that there's not enough like Japanese like brands that gets here in Europe. So every time I go to Japan, like I would usually search for new products, and I would usually go get stock of the things that I really like. And now I am gonna fill in my brows. I just used this one. This one is also from Japan. It's from Kate. There's like 3 colors, and I just basically do this and mix everything up. Like, our imperfections make us unique, make us us. So I just basically like do my makeup as if it looks natural. So that's it for my brows. Now I'm gonna use my bronzer. This is actually a powder from MAC in medium deep. It's mineralized skin finish natural powder, but I use it as my bronzer. It's in medium deep. It looks like that. And then I just do that. And then I will use this palette from Lunasol. Then it's also from Japan. I use the dark shade to contour my nose. I just basically tap that on my finger and about that, and then I do this to contour my nose. Right now it's a bit too much, but I will fix that later. Just a second, someone's calling me. Sorry, my friend Victoria will arrive in 15 minutes, so I need to do this really quick. Now that I've contoured my nose, I will just use the same bronzer, like this powder that I use to my crease to add more definition. I just do that. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. And then I will use this palette from MAC to do my eyes. I will use this color and mix it with the brown and put it on my lids. Like that. And then I will use this brush on and apply this glittery brown, like a goldish brown, here on top of my lids. And then I will get this brush again and put the same color that I use on my lids on my lower lid. So it looks like that now. And then I will just clean my brush and use the light shade on the inner corners of my eyes. And then I will just blend it out again. And now I will use the glittery pink one from Lunasol. Just to highlight the brows. That's how I do it. I will apply a blush on. I'm using this one from Chanel. It's the 370 Elegance. I love this color. I really like blush on, so I do apply a lot. And I use this one from the Body Shop. I basically just get more blush and put it in my purse. It's very practical to have. And now I'm gonna apply some eyeliner. If I want like my eyes to look more natural, I just use this one. It's 929 from Chanel. And then this one, it's like I use a dark shade of brown as a liquid eyeliner. I just feel like it looks more natural than a black one. It suits me more. And I will use the Chanel pencil eyeliner on the bottom of my eyes. Can you see, like, it's so subtle? I am going to put some mascara on. This mascara is from Kiko. I think you've already seen this in one of my videos. It's Maximod Volume and Definition Mascara. This is so good. Like, even my friend Victoria really like it, and now she uses the same one. And I usually use two mascaras. Like, I use this one from Rimmel. I can only find it in Japan. I've never seen it in Europe. Like, the Kiko one is for the volume, and this one is make your lashes look long. There's like fibers in it. And I feel like the brush is so good. Like, my lashes are well separated after using it usually. But for example, like, this one is a bit old right now, so it dries out really quick. you will see that here there's like a lump. So I will use a sharpen like this to spread it out. It might look scary, but trust me, I've been doing that for so long. It's too dark. And then now I will put a lip balm. I really like this one from La Roche-Posay. So I will put my lipstick on once I am done with my coffee. So I just put a highlighter pretty much all over my face, but not too much. Like just anyway, that's it. Actually, like I don't mind like having the scars like seen on my face because it just looks more natural and it's okay. Like I try to cover it a bit, but like when I put the blush on, like you can see it again. It doesn't really matter. It's okay to have imperfections. So I just used the lipstick on top. Oops. So this is what I'm wearing today. Just a wide pants. It's from Bershka, if I'm not mistaken, and then this one is from COS. That's it for today. That's my look. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more makeup or skincare tutorial, like let me know. I would be very happy. It's for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video and see you guys again soon. Bye.